These are oriented with the nut to the inside in both cases. And these are now tightened to 30 nanometers, or Newton meters, excuse me. I always want to say nanometers, but it's Newton. So I've got a torque wrench, and so these are tightened down correctly to the correct tension. So I come down the body. Now the one thing I want to show here is you want to make sure that you get a little bit of gap right here. I mentioned earlier that the pipe was just resting on this brace. So to make sure that I was tightening everything else down, what I did was I put a little bit of a wedge in right here to push the pipe up just a little bit. You don't want to push too far, because if you feel above, you've got in a couple of places about a 1/4 inch of space between the pipe and your heat shield. And you've only got probably a 1/4 inch or so of space here. So make sure when you put in a little bit of a wedge block right here to hold this pipe up. So when you orient the muffler, that everything is oriented in the correct place and you have the gap. I've seen some criticism, or I've seen some comments that people ended up with a little bit of a rattle. Well, that would make sense if this pipe is resting down on this brace. So when you put this in here, you want to put in a little bit of a gap. Make sure that gap is there. So we're going to slide further up the body as we go here. All zoomed up really close, I know, but this new pipe looks amazing. We're going to come up here. We're going to be at the mid body hanger here. These are our T10 reverse torques. They're in and tight. And then as we come up, we'll come up to our top flanges.